Hi! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this shark craft. Watch out before they snap at you. If you like this craft, please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. So, let's get creative, shall we? First, take a paper ball. Fold it and cut it into half. This is 15 centimeters in diameter. After cutting the ball in half, let's reverse the curve by pressing around the sides until the concave side pops up. Stack them together and make zigzag cuts for the sharp teeth. Fold in at least 1 centimeter around the curve. Grab some cardboard to make our paper scissors. You want it to be sturdier, so we'll be making 2 layers thick. Templates for this can be downloaded in the description below. Then cut 2 pieces of card strips to hold the scissors. This is about 1 centimeter by 6 centimeters. Now take a colored card paper, draw and cut a pattern of your shark, or you may also download the template in the description below. Take a red card paper and fold it into half. Take 1/2 to make the inside of the mouth. Fold it into half and follow the curve of the mouth, but just slightly smaller to fit inside. To assemble the scissors together, make a hole 3 centimeters from the scissors grip. Then grab a piece of a round fastener to connect the parts of the scissors together. To attach the mouth to the paper scissors, find the center part of the mouth and stick it just as shown. Remember to stick the card strip to secure the paper scissors on the mouth. test it out if the upper and lower mouths are aligned. Then add glue and stick the red paper inside the mouth. Trim the corner sides if needed. Then let's add glue on the mouth and stick the face of the shark. Follow the curve as you stick it. Then finally, stick the lower part of the mouth. And there you have it, your very own DIY snapping shark. I hope you enjoyed making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!